So how to install a TestNG? I will show you now. In the help, while by clicking this help, here the Eclipse marketplace is there. Click on the Eclipse marketplace. Here you want to type the TestNG. Okay. So after typing this instantly, you click this install. That's all. Okay. If you want to give I accept, finish. Here you just click trust selected. Again, always trust all selected. Here I accept the risk. Trust. Once it's asking that trust restart now, then you will know that your application is successfully installed. That's all. Here, in any applications, in any projects, you are going to change it into TestNG means, then you can able to right click this, and then in this here the TestNG will be available. Okay, this is the way you want to install the TestNG. Now, I will show you the stop your screen.